Hi, so welcome to another episode of Conversations on Couch. And today we are gonna talk about my birthday. So I turned 22 this year, and it was good. Yeah, it was good. I have like amazing people in my life, and it was beautiful. And I am that type of a person who's not really afraid of growing up, I would say. So there's this one thing that I've noticed amongst my friends as well, that like not just in friends but in like many people, that they are always key like we are this age, like what are we gonna do, like we don't know what we are doing with life. And like, even though I get it, but I'm not able to relate with that, because for me it's fun. I like the idea of growing up. I like growing up. I like having new experiences. I like learning and be a different person 5 years बाद में. So yeah, it's fun for me. And every year, so I journal about my year. I reflect back and I look at things. I look at people around me. I look at all the things that I've done. Maybe I could have done differently, and the changes that I've made throughout the year. So I also did that is Barbie, and while doing that, I came to some things that I learned in the sense, or maybe discovered about myself, or looked back कि हाँ ऐसा भी होता है. So I made 22 reflections as I turned 22, and I am gonna talk about that today. So the first would be that I feel that I'm a mix of all the people that I love. Like like the person that I am today is not just Shruti. It have a little bit of Aniket, it have a little bit of my mom, it have a little bit of Arushi, it have a little bit of my dogs, it have a little bit of everyone that I have loved till now. And it just makes me feel really beautiful, because I feel that अभी के society में we are like very hustling, like ये वो फलाना ढिमकाना, and I don't need anybody, which is not true. We need people. Like, let's be realistic. Who wants to live alone? Who wants to be alone? Like, it just sounds so sad. You know what I mean? So I think that's really beautiful, and that is one thing that I really am grateful for, and I cherish, and I will continue cherishing is the people that I have. Yes. Second is not my circus, not my monkeys. Yeah, oh, okay. So I have this habit of putting my opinions forward, even if the person doesn't want to take it. Like, in my head, I want the best for them. But sometimes, even if you want the best for other people, they might not want the same for you, and they might not perceive your opinions the best for them, you know. So I've reflected back, and I've learned that it is not my place to tell them, it is not my place to talk about these things. It's just not my place. So not my circus, not my monkeys. Yeah. Next is, it's okay to take a step back. Yes, I think some, like, for me personally, as a person, I feel that I'm a very ambitious person, and if I set my mind onto something, I really want to do that, and I'm just onto that track. And there will be a lot of challenges, of course, and I don't mind them. It's just that sometimes it just gets so much overwhelming that I start questioning everything that I have ever done, which is not right, because I sometimes forget ki the place that I am, where I am today, it is because of my past. Like, if things have been different, or if I have learned things maybe in a different way, so I would not have been the same person. So sometimes it's okay to take a step back. Sometimes it's okay to slow down. It does not mean that you're a loser. It does not mean that you're not doing things good enough. It just means that you need rest, because you're a human, and it's okay. Your nervous system just wants to relax, and that's completely fine. Okay, so the fourth is, home is where the heart is, in Taylor Swift's voice. Of course. Of course, I think this is very self explanatory. I also wanted to get a tattoo of it. I'm planning to get it by the end of this year. If you don't know, I have a lot of tattoos. I don't know if I've talked about this or not till yet. Till now, till yet, what I'm saying. Okay, so I don't think I have talked about it till now, but yeah, I think, yeah, it just makes me feel really cool. Not about the looks, but it just gives me a boost under say. So yes, home is where the heart is. This is one thing that I've realized. Sometimes, like, I've never felt home at my own house. So I think it's again, I think it's just about the people. Yeah. Okay, so the next is your people respects your boundaries instead of getting offended. Yes. I don't know why I wrote that. It just sounds so mature, but it makes sense. Yes. It's okay to make boundaries. It's okay to have your area, and that is how it should be. Like, there should be some things that is just yours, and there should be some things that you should have enough space with. And I think people should respect that. If, like, for example, if I am not okay with someone maybe crossing my boundary, for example, I don't like people saying bad things about my friends, so I am gonna call them out. But if they continue doing that, I don't think I will talk to them, because even after communicating, and if they're still doing it, it just doesn't make sense. It's because they want to do it, because I don't feel people are that forgetful ki bar bar reminders ke baad bhi they are just like not getting it. And I think it is very humane to just respect someone. This is literally the least you can do. So yeah. So it's okay to make your boundaries, and I feel that people who gets you, who are there for you, who are your people, they respect your boundaries. Like, they do not get offended ki maybe why can I not talk about it, maybe why are you like being insensitive, and they won't ever say things like that. So choose your circle wisely. Next is change is very constant. Yes, it is, and I think I, for some reason, I really like stability, yes, but I feel a little change in that stability is also good. Like, I don't mind growing and changing as a person, but I would also want some stability in my life. Like, this is what I feel. And yes, we are changing every day. We learn new things, we form our opinions, we change our perspectives. It's a whole cycle of life, and change, yes, is very constant. Next thing that I learned about myself is I love learning and I love doing things. Yes, which is very true. I am a very I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this person, and I really enjoy things. Like, I'm not kidding, I do. Like, sometimes there will be things that I'm really afraid of, but I just want to do that. I just want to feel how it feels. I just want to experience how it makes you feel, how it boosts your body, or maybe I don't know. It just makes me want to go for it at least once in my life. So yes, I really love doing things. I really love learning different things. There are things that I want to learn. There are things that I'm planning ki I'll learn before this year. So yes, this is great. Learning is good. Next is quality friendships over quantity friendships. Yes. I have like a lot of friends, and fortunately few of them are like really good. So I think you need to have at least, well, I'm not saying as a number, but like generic example ki I think it's better to have two people who support you, who genuinely care about you, and who genuinely wants the best for you, instead of having a room full of people who are just saying ha mein ha. Do you get what I mean? Next thing that I learned about me, which I think I want to change, but it's that it's not okay for me to have not things figured out. So I'm the type of a person who's like really planned. Like, I want things to be scheduled. I want things to have a timing, and I really want to stick to that timing. And it's just something that I don't like. Key if there are key love, I don't like uncertainty. I like certainty, and I love it, and I love to work towards that. But I think there should be a little flexibility, and I'm just trying to have a little balance in that, because I just don't know how to do it. but I know that it is important. So I'm just really trying किसी भी तरीके से थोड़ा सा flexible होना चीज़ों में. Yeah. Next is I cannot ask for help despite forcing people to reach out. ऐसा तो है. आई फील कि कोई बात नहीं, मैं ही कर लेती हूँ. इवन इफ आई वुड वांट ना कि मे बी किसी को तो होना चाहिए था, लाइक I really want to share. And it's not that I don't have people to share, or you know, I do have people I can share things with, but sometimes you just feel this certain way, you just feel lonely. It does not mean that you don't have people. You have people, but you cannot ignore that feeling. Sometimes I just feel that, and it is like really, really hard for me to reach out and say ki, hey, this is happening and I need your help. Yeah, maybe I just need you to be there. But I'm working on it. I try reaching out, I try talking to my friends ki aisa ho raha hai, like what do you think I should do? Yeah, what is your say in that? I'm not able to figure things out. So yes. Next is I love who I want to be, even if it does not pay my bills. Hmm. This is really, I think, personal. Like professionally, I feel the field that I am in does not pay you really well in the starting, and it requires a lot of commitment, a lot of learning. That like I have done my bachelor's, but I still need to complete my master's before actually working in the same field. And what I've heard and what I've seen is like the starting is very low, but for me, I don't think I want the money factor to be there ki I'm not doing this because it doesn't pay well. I really love what I do. I really love studying. I really love psychology, and I think this is one thing that I'll compromise ki it's okay if it doesn't pay well here. It's okay, I'll see something ki how things are gonna work out, but I'm not gonna leave studying what I really love, even if maybe I might not be good at it 10 years down the line. It's okay, I'll see. Next is I attract people, and I don't know how, but yes, I do. Yes, I feel that I really attract people, and I also feel that and in general, we attract people who are like us. Do you get it? Like I feel there's this energy, and you just feel it, and you attract the same vibe, which is so crazy to think about, but it is true. Like I don't know if you guys have noticed it, kabhi, but kabhi ho to you can try to notice it, and it is fun, and it is true. So yeah. Next is I'm grateful for my life. Yes, I am. Like, even if there are things that I don't like about my life, even if there are people, even if there's XYZ n number of things that I don't like about my life, but I'm really grateful for it. I'm really grateful to have this space. I'm really grateful to have people who love me and support me. I'm really grateful to have the freedom to speak my opinions and put my, you know, thoughts forward. And I'm really grateful for all of these things, and I don't want to ever take them for granted. Next is I am a sucker for simple things. Yes, I think I'm a very basic person. Like I like to okay, so I feel that I'm adventurous, which I am, but I also feel that I'm very basic. Like for me, adventure would be adventure, not adventure, but like कुछ कर लिया. तो I'm very simple कि मतलब पिकनिक पे चले जाऊँ मैं, तो I'm really happy. Like हर month में एक बार पिकनिक हो जाए, I'm satisfied. मेरे को कहीं नहीं जाना. Picnics, I really love picnics, and even the colors that I like are like I like all the colors, but I'm more drawn to ऐसे थोड़ा neutrals में. So that is one thing, and even my style is I think all over the place, but it is basic. So I think I'm a very basic person, and that is fine. I like basic. I love basic. Basic is cool. Next is good relationships need investment. It goes both way. Yes, that is very important. It can be a friendship or relationship, any relationship, even parental relationships, siblings, kuch bhi. I do feel that they need investment in terms of time, commitment, communication, and I also feel that it should go both ways. For example, I have had people who were like not reciprocate of, who were like not really, like I was just there for them. I would listen to their problems. I would console them, but they would not even ask me how I am. I think this is very basic things that people should know about. And I feel that in any type of relationship, uh, any investment that you're doing, it should be both ways. And if maybe you are in any type of relationship that you notice that only you are, there for the other person, maybe you can try talking to them and confront them and see how things work. Because I really feel that if अगर starting से there's this one person in the relationship who's giving, so दूसरे वाले person को there's this आदत कि ये तो कर ही लेगा, ये तो कर ही लेगा. So I think starting say you need to have that balance and boundary so people don't take you for granted. Next is communicating about your feelings and needs should not become an issue. Yes, I have noticed that too whenever people share their needs or maybe something that they didn't feel good about, the other person starts fighting or maybe gaslighting it कि like how can you feel like that, मैंने तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं करा था, how can you say that, मेरा तो intention में था, do you not know me? Okay, I get it. Maybe whatever you did, you didn't do it intentionally, but it did make me feel bad. I don't care about what your intention was, but your actions did make me feel bad, and you are accountable for that. So, if I'm communicating to you about that, you can just be respectful and say ki, so like I'm sorry, and I'll keep that in mind, and I'll be extra careful. Like I'll be not extra, I'll be careful next time. This is like the basic way of how you should communicate with people who are like sharing your feelings instead of gaslighting them कि मैंने तो ऐसा नहीं करा था, ये तो नहीं हुआ था, this is not what you think had happened and anything like that. Next is people pleasing isn't actually pleasing them or me, it's just getting exhausted. Yeah. I don't have much thoughts about this. I think I just wrote it because I was like overwhelmed in that phase because I was like reflecting back. It was my birthday and a lot of emotions were there. But yes, I think pleasing people is just very exhausting because you have this constant need of providing for people, and sometimes they are just not, they just don't see it, they just don't appreciate it. And because they don't do that, you feel कि अरे मैंने ऐसा क्या करा. So even after doing something for others, you're not getting the appreciation that you deserve, which makes you question your belief system or maybe how you are as a person. So I think it is just like really exhausting, just constantly working on something and thinking about others. Yeah. Next is sunscreens are a scam, but it's okay. Dil ki tasalli. I agree. I went to Goa last year and I had this 50 SPF and पता नहीं क्या क्या सनस्क्रीन एंड मैंने उनको ओके सो उन पे था कि 2-3 घंटे बाद रीअप्लाई करना है, आई डिड दैट, बट द टैनिंग वाज हॉरिबल. इट वाज हॉरिबल. एंड वो अब तक मेरी टैनिंग नहीं गई है. इट्स बिन around 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's been 10 months, and I still have my Goa tanning. And my friends, like people I went Goa with, some of them don't have the tanning. So I think it just really depends upon your body. Sunscreens, I don't think really work. Yeah, that is just that. Next is I'm not in a race with anyone. Yes, the constant comparison that comes with social media is crazy, crazy. So I think the reason that I wrote this is because I'm taking this year gap and I'm seeing people getting into masters, completing their first year, and I've not even started yet. So it just makes me feel really कि I'm like really behind in life. Like I'm 22 when मेरी masters भी start नहीं हुई है. I was supposed to complete my masters till I was 23 or 24. So I think yes, it is just a reminder to myself that it's okay. Everyone has a different path, and it's okay to take things slow. It's okay, you are not in a race with anyone else. It's okay as long as you're a good human being, as long as you're not hurting yourself or others, and as long as you're on a right path, like the you're not doing anything bad. It's okay, everything will work out, everything is fine. I think yeah, मैं बस अपने को तसल्ली दे रही हूँ. Next is, I cannot justify myself to everyone. They are gonna think what they're gonna think. Yes, I feel somewhat partially in some cases it is true, because people just have this opinion about you, and no matter what you are gonna do, what you are gonna say, they just don't want to agree with that. Like sometimes मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है, like there are people जिनके लिए in my family only, जिनके लिए मैंने कभी कुछ बुरा नहीं चाहा, मैंने कभी कुछ बुरा नहीं करा, एंड इंस्टेड मैंने सामने से हमेशा ट्राई करा है कि इट इज़ easier for them, like things are okay with them, but in their head I'm not very considerate, and no matter what I do, they do keep thinking that only. So it took me quite some time to realize this, like no matter what I do, people are just not gonna maybe change their thinking about me, and it's okay. I mean, ठीक है, क्या करूँ मैं, अब इससे ज़्यादा मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, व्हाट कैन आई डू. आई डिड what I could do the best. अब मैं क्या ही करूँ उससे ज़्यादा. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Second last, wow, that was not everyone has to know everything. Yes, I think there should be things that you keep it to yourself. There are things that you should keep it to, maybe with you and your family, your close friends. And I think you should just not tell things to people in general, because I just feel they are happy about it on your face, but deep down they might be comparing कि मेरे साथ नहीं हो रहा, या they might be कि अरे इसको कैसे मिल सकता है, या इसके साथ कैसे हो सकती है ये चीज़. तो आई थिंक टू मेंटेन दैट पीस, आई फील कि ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा वाइब और ऐसे एनर्जी अट्रैक्ट हो जाती है जिस भी चीज़ों के लोगों के हम अराउंड रहते हैं. तो आई थिंक इट इज़ लाइक रियली इंपॉर्टेंट टू सराउंड योर सेल्फ विद पीपल हु लाइक आर नॉट pretentious. Next is, social support is very important. Yes, I agree. Like any type of social support, it does not have to be anything particular. Like you can maybe have support groups as well. There are a lot of resources for that. There are people who are doing support groups. So that is really cool. That is really good. And I'm really happy that I'm going to do something like that soon. And it just makes me feel really included, and it just makes me feel that I'm giving back to the community in some way, and I'm really happy and grateful for that. Yes. So for me, I think my biggest social support would be my friends, no doubt, hands down. And yes, I that was it for this episode. You can share your social support in the comment section below, and it will be fun to know what you guys think about this. You can share your, maybe if your birthday is coming up, or maybe if you had your birthday, you can reflect back, or journal about things, and you can share how your experience was, and any suggestions, any feedbacks are welcome. And if you like this video, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Bye.